Guys, now it's a wrap. Imagine Maureen is going to give me a free strawberry plant. I'm going to plant it. Guys, I'm so happy. I don't know, I'm so happy because I've gotten to see nature, guys, and nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful both in and out, guys. I think I just want to say here, the aura that is around this place, is just magnificent. It's just beautiful. You breathe in a lot of freshness, you know. It is so nice, guys, and I hope every village will be able to embrace, you know, every home will be able to embrace nature, and maybe we might be getting different results. So guys, it's a wrap for me, and I just want to say thank you. You see, do you think it's a joke? Maureen is giving me a free strawberry plant. Yes, and I'm going to plant it, and guys, you're going to see the results. So watch this out.